Welcome back from the wonderful weekend we had. I hope everybody had a little bit of time to get outside and enjoy the weather. Hopefully, this is something that we're going to get a little more of in the future. I wanted to together a real quick video to take you through the new way that I've decided to put together the science lessons. It's not going to be that much different. It's just going to be broken down by activities so that hopefully more of us um, have a better chance at having success with the distance learning. So I'll start each one of the lessons by kind of going over the learning targets. We're going to be working on chemical reactions, lesson 2.3. We're going to explain how the rust formed in the water. You are going to be responsible for modeling to visualize groups of atoms arranging chemical reactions. You're also going to use your annotation in your model as your written explanation to the residents of Westfield about how this rust formed and ended up in their water that came out of their faucets. The deliverables today are going to be activities 1, 2, and 3. So I'll take you through those and I will mark activity 1 complete. I'll leave feedback for you in activity 2. And then I am going to use the modeling rubric to give you a level 1, 2, 3, 4 score for activity 3. All right, so this is the new agenda, and I just kind of want to go over the parts of the agenda that you need to be aware of. What I'm doing from now on is I'm going to put together a short video for each lesson. That will be linked right here where it says click for video. So you're going to work through the lessons. Activity 1, I'm going to talk about the warm-up in just a minute. So this video will be linked underneath the warm-up. You would click that on a normal day. You'd watch the introduction to the lesson. And then I want you to go through these steps to complete the warm-up. So you're going to watch the video. If you're watching this right now, you're not going to have to do this when you start, but then complete the warm-up question and amplify. I'm also going to make a video that shows you an exemplar. So I'm going to put in like a level 3 piece of work in here so that if you're having a hard time finishing a lesson, or I'm sorry, an activity in a lesson, you can look right away for feedback, or you don't have to watch it at all. It's up to you. But I'm probably going to leave less feedback in Amplify because I'm going to take the time to make the videos for instant feedback here. So if you go and look in Amplify and see that you scored a 1 or a 2 or an incomplete or incorrect, you can come back and you can view this video. I'll also put these in Canvas on the days that we don't have lessons. So today's lesson, I'll have these 3 videos posted in Canvas in the agenda for tomorrow's lesson. Then after you get done with the warm-up, you're going to work on to activity 2, and you're going to watch the video. You're going to basically follow these 3 steps, and then I'm going to show you a model of how I would have done activity 2. Then you do the same thing for activity 3, and you're finished. So basically, you'll be kind of working like you're reading a book. So you'll go through the first row, go through the second row, go through the third row, and you're done for the day. Just make sure you check your feedback. All right, so I'd like you to complete the warm-up for today's lesson. There's only one question to answer, and it's pretty self-explanatory. I'll see you in just a few minutes for activity 2.